These are like, I swear to you, I'm not lying. Hey everyone, this is Joe from JoeysWorldTour Phone Reviews. I'm back today. I'm at Dunkin' Donuts, and I'm doing their waffle breaded chicken tenders. So it's a play on the chicken and waffles, the famous chicken and waffles dish, and this is their Dunkin' Donuts version of the chicken and waffles, and the only thing missing is the maple syrup. So these are $2 each. For $2 you get one chicken tender, and I'll be honest with you, it smells like waffles. This is breaded in a waffle batter, and the chicken tenders, look at this, big huge chicken tenders, not the little ones. I'm very surprised how these look. These look great. The breading, I said the chicken and the waffle is a great combination. It's a classic combination, and I'm really excited to try these. So this is Dunkin' Donuts, $2 for two. Wow. Really good. The only thing missing is maple syrup. It's moist. It's the waffle batter is tastes like waffles, and I'm a big fan of waffles. Like there's basic waffles, and there's that other waffle that's thicker. What's it called? I forgot. Anyway, so yeah. Yeah. It's breakfast in a bag. That's what it is. So, if you can't make up your mind, do I have breakfast? Do I have dinner? I'll have chicken and waffles. And now Dunkin' Donuts is jumping in the chicken and waffle game, and they come with these beautiful, look at that. Look how big these things are. I'm really impressed. I mean, it's like, I'm shocked. I thought I was gonna get like, it's a little thing like that big. No, I'm surprised. And I get this beautiful aftertaste, waffle aftertaste. Woo, 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 woo. Wow. So this would be great for the kids. You know, you jump in the morning, you bring the kids and the family, jump in the drive-thru, you get donuts, and the kids, some kids don't like donuts. Kids love chicken tenders. And what better way to satisfy them is give them some waffle chicken tenders, chicken waffle tenders from Dunkin' Donuts. This is great. I would bring if I were you guys, I'd just bring me a bottle of maple syrup with me and just pour it, and the kids will love it. Oh, so good, so good. Wow, man, you can have like snacks now and everything at Dunkin' Donuts. They just don't sell donuts anymore. So they're killing it. The Dunkin' Donut game is killing it. You know, there's other famous donut places out there that don't come close to what Dunkin' Donuts is doing. I mean, they're famous for their coffee. I mean, they're just killing it right now. So slide into Dunkin', get yourself some chicken waffle tenders, and you will be a happy camper. Woo, 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 woo. Check out my tweets and my twerks and everything in between. Please share and subscribe to Joey's World Tour. It's growing because of you. Hit that notification button, and you will be notified when I upload again. Did I rate this? I love these. These are great. These are, I swear to you, I'm not lying. I'm not lying when I tell you I need to do a suction cup to hold my camera. These are like one of the best chicken tenders I've had. So get there, be square. You'll be a happy camper. Hit that notification button, like I said, and you'll be notified when I upload again. Sorry about the camera drop. It's time for a new suction cup to hold on to my key. Anyways, thank you all for tuning in. This is Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. Did I rate this a 10? Woo, 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 woo. Get a Dunkin' Donuts. You will be a happy camper. $2, $1 each, and they're worth more than that. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Joe for Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews, doing chicken waffle tenders from Dunkin' Donuts. It's a 10. Thank you so much. Peace, love, and happiness. Woo, woo, woo.